Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Romeo Power Inc. Now utilities are on the rise. Okay, so utilities basically will be on the rise when there is enough demand. It means some activities has already started, some activities is going on, and some activities will come in the upcoming months and in the upcoming years. Now, if you are looking at this chart has made a very big move, and more specifically, if you are looking at this highlighted area, this is some sort of double bottom pattern in a technical analysis which the stock has formed, which indicates that there is price rise on the upcoming days and months or even weeks. Okay, so the thing is, although it has made a sharp move, but you need to understand some levels. We are or we will become pessimistic, optimistic, we will look for upside or downside, but in all the cases we have some security, which is we are not going to go below certain levels which will dampen our profits. So here in that case you can use $11.93 as your support, not only your support but also your resistance level. So rather than 11.93 you can use 11.62. This will be more safe and more secured. Okay, so don't try to go below 11.62. Now if it able to sustain above 11.62, in that case you will have your first target at 14.62, and this is one of the big resistance which the stock has faced recently and started falling down from there. So from $14 it went down to 7.72 on the downside, right? So 14.62 will be a major resistance. But if in case the stock sustain and makes a breakout above $14, in that case the levels we are going to look at will be $18 or 18.43, and it can go up to here 23.53. So these are the levels that we are looking at in the upcoming days and weeks. Now I can go as high as 38, but the thing is we have already stretched the target on the upside. So we will reanalyze the chart once it again makes it move, but for the time being don't try to go below 11.62. On the upside you have 14, 18 and 23 in the days as well as in the weeks to look at. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.